Hello guys, in this quick tutorial I am going to show you that how to fix error code 134 in the Rockstar Games Launcher. I will show you the two most effective methods to solve this error. I hope one of them will work for you. So moving to our first method, we just need to get a VPN which is named as the NordVPN. Once you get this VPN, you have to just connect it to your device before entering to the website of your Rockstar Games Launcher and your problem will be fixed. You can also use any of the free VPN, like you can use the 1.1.1.1 VPN. So in order to install it, you have to just simply click on the Windows option and it will start downloading, and after downloading you can easily connect it to your device. But it is a free VPN and it will disconnect it again and again and causing such type of the errors while using your Rockstar Games Launcher. So the best solution for this error is that you have to just only use the NordVPN, and you can get this VPN via the link that I have shared in this video's description. And by doing so, you will get 63% off on this NordVPN with the extra 3 months. Moreover, by using the NordVPN, you will get the save online services by the VPN. So you must try this VPN by using the link that I have shared in this video's description. So once you get this VPN, you have to just connect it to your system. Once you connect it, you have to just again relaunch your Rockstar games and your problem will be fixed 100%. So now moving to our second most effective method, you just need to open your run box by pressing Window plus R at once and then search here for percentage app data percentage and then click OK. And now here you have to just locate for the folder which is named as the Rockstar Games. Just click to open it, and here you have to just click on the social club folder and then simply delete it. Once you're done, you have to just again relaunch your launcher of the Rockstar Games and your problem will be fixed. But the permanent solution is that you have to just use the NordVPN to solve this error. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. For more information, visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. So give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe my channel Let Me Guide. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.